Aloha, brothers and sisters. Opo Ibukun. Abundant blessings. I pray that you're feeling awake, aware, and elevated in mind, body, and spirit, wherever you are, and whatever may be happening around you. Ashe, Ashe, Asheo. I'm Baba Umar. If you've been with me for a while, welcome back. If it's your first time landing on this channel, I'm glad that you're here. I hope you'll stick around and sign up to become a member of our Egg Bay. I'm going to make an announcement at the end of this short video, so stick around till the end. Asheo. So part 1, introduction. In this lesson, we'll explore the mystery of your higher or inner intelligence. Are you trying to make some important life choices? Do you feel like you are doing more and achieving less? Do you want to know how to maximize your potential for success in alignment with your Ayanmo, your chosen destiny? In Ifa, your higher intelligence is connected to your Ori, your inner head. Modern research into heart-brain coherence suggests that the heart functions as a center of perception and regulation. Let's explain the connection between your Ori Inu, your inner head, your spiritual consciousness, your Ori Ode, your physical head, including your cerebral brain, and your Imo Okan, your heart brain. Ashe. Part 2, call to Ori. Ori mi apere, my Ori, carrier of my destiny. Ori mi apesen, my Ori, my most precious. In this call, you're speaking to your Ori Inu, your inner head, and Imo Okan, your heart brain. These calls are two of the most important and often repeated expressions in Ifa practice. Devotees begin their day with a call to their Ori. Why? Ifa teaches that no deity, no ritual or ceremony has a greater influence on your journey in the world than your Ori. Ori is your Kadara, your Ikpin Olorun, your direct connection to Olodumare, Source, universal consciousness. Part 3, the little brain. Although Ori means head, remember that your heart has its own little brain with roughly 40,000 neurons or brain cells embedded in the heart wall. These nerve cells operate independently of your cerebral brain to regulate not only heart function, but also to communicate emotional signals to your cerebral brain. The cardiac brain is constantly sending signals to the cerebral brain regarding the body's internal state. There are more messages going from the heart to the brain than there are from the brain to the heart. So when you feel upset about something, you feel tense, you feel doubt, that you get that feeling in your chest that something's not right with something, listen to it, because that's your heart brain communicating with you. That is your truth. Ori Inu Wamaba Todeje. May my spiritual Ori not be in conflict with my physical Ori. Ashe. Here you're referencing both your Ori Inu, your spiritual inner, and your Ori Ode, your physical head. There is an ongoing 3-way communication between Ori Inu, spiritual guidance, Ori Ode, cognitive thinking, and Imo Okan, Your emotional signaling. Part 4. Applying the wisdom. When you're making important decisions, go to stillness and ask yourself, how do I feel about this choice versus that choice? Current research suggests that the heart acts as a source of information rather than just as a pump. Your heart-based emotions are giving you signals of alignment or misalignment with your destiny. When you think of your Ori, the complete picture that should come to your mind is of your head and your heart. Your Ori communicates with you through both channels, and the heart is often less confused and more reliable than the cerebral brain. And we'll talk more about that, in future talks. So the heart is usually more reliable than the physical brain in decision making. So if you want to be successful in life and fulfill your ayanmo, your destiny, strive to understand, internalize, and connect with two energies, your Ori and your Egun. Your Ori first and foremost. How do you connect with your Ori and create heart-brain coherence? Simple steps. Sit. Relax. Release. Breathe. Enter stillness. Turn inward and listen. Want to learn more? Like and subscribe to the Ile Awo Orisa playlist at Alakoso. Thanks for listening. Alafia ati Ife. Ajo lo, ajo bo. Let me make a quick announcement before I end this video. So this is the third video that I've posted this month, as some of you already know. So here's what I'm going to do. The first of the month, you will get my regular video and regular video instruction. Now we're doing the Odus. So you'll see on the video template in the left-hand panel, it'll say Sacred Odu Ifa. That's one of the lessons that we'll be sending out. And that's going to happen on the first day of each month. Then you'll see in another template, it'll say Ifa Proverbs and Sayings. And that will come out, I'm thinking probably I'll do that, or to send that out on the second Saturday of each month. And then on the third Saturday of each month, I'll send out this video, which is the Ifa Wisdom Teachings. Okay? The Proverbs and the Ifa Wisdom Teachings are going to be 3 to 5 minute videos. I'm going to try not to make it any longer than that. This one may be a little bit longer because I'm doing this information, this update. But usually the video is going to be anywhere from 3 to 5 minutes. Short, easy for you to digest, easy for you to work with and remember, internalize, work with for the month, as well as obviously the longer video that we do on the Sacred Odus. Okay, I'm going to let it go there. Hope everybody is doing well. Take care of yourself. Love you. Alafia ati Ife. Ajo lo, ajo bo.